Buenas tardes, tutor Camilo Andrés. Mi nombre es José Leonardo Quintín Sabogal. En este pequeño video voy a responderles las preguntas de la unidad 3, tarea 5, comunicación productiva. Este es mi documento de identidad. Entonces tenemos las siguientes preguntas. La primera dice, Where are you? Entonces, my name is José Leonardo Quintín Sabogal. I am studying industrial engineering career at UNAD. I live with my wife and two children, and he is 10 years old, and my baby 1 year old. The two question is, what is your dream job? Is to be able to work 8 hours and day and Monday Friday in a day short, not so late. And having salary in 2 millions, and to what I do not stay for some from my house. And question 3. Number 3 is, what do you need to do to be successful? Continue studying and working hard will lead to meet success. Successful. And question number 4 is, which aspect can you hear to improve in your profession area? Make the most of your time, maintain a positive attitude, take advantage of every opportunity against others. And finish 5 question is, what can you do for the world from your profession perspective? Student learning to listen short coverage with my classmates and family, among others. And tutor, thank you very much. Bye.